Guys, let's double check just the local targets for XLM. Global one I already showed you. So let's focus on this block since June 2025 till now. Global targets and global zone for accumulation for the spot, it's 15, 28 and 7, 9 cents, 35 and 3. So if you want to accumulate in the best zone for a long run, you know, of course, it's this block where we trade a long-term period here. Made somewhere 2, even under. We traded 0.7 cents for. So 15 and 7 cents, it's more than comfortable zone for accumulation for the spot. Of course, it's not a safe haven. It's not a safe trade. You know, any single token can go to the another bottom, right? And after that, another bottom like a gift for you, and can go under the historical all-time low into price discovery zone. That's why, guys, be careful. Of course, we can work only with the current data, what we got, and the price action. And money management, risk management. So locally, guys, so this is block. It's for accumulation spot, this monthly gap. What I don't like, we didn't drop to 15 cents and not close the 50% of this gap. But of course, it's not necessary, so we should drop now. I think we'll come back later. If we will drop now, of course, you can be ready to see another 34% drop, no matter what it will be with the BTC. Down, up, BTC dominance up, down, so absolutely doesn't matter. This is just a zone. We're more than okay to buy for the spot. So it's for spot position. Let's hide all of these drawings, right? And identify the zones for speculation. So technically, we sweep all liquidity pool, this one, April 75 and June 75. So we sweep it, come back to this one, weekly gap, test it, and of course we close over than 50% of the monthly gap. So if we count the 50% of monthly gap, this one, so we stop it at 61. That's why the positive case, guys, I hope it's not another necessary, so we should drop to 15 cents again, to 78, around 78 little bit, to sweep this liquidity pool, because the monthly gap done, all liquidity already grab it. So I don't know why we have to drop again to 15 cents, but just in case, it's possible. It's possible. So daily also, take a look the week. Usually we come back, close the 50% of the week. We already closed the 61% of this week. So the next step, of course, possible to see the 2035, but I don't see also why we have to drop. So just in case, this is the most positive case scenario. Hopium is here. So anyway, this order flow, we will come back and sweep this high 42 cents. It's just a matter of time when. So definitely, guys, if we see some crazy order flow like this one, when we find a support, definitely we're going to sweep this one and break the structure for the upside move. Just a matter of time. We can't know when. So it will happen, but nobody knows when. All right, so focus now on the local zone. This is going to be the zone for better risk ratio trade. Technically, we can open trade long now. Stop loss here 5%. So let's say 5% stop loss with second leverage 10%. 10% with the second leverage target definitely is here. So 10 against 260. Pretty good. Can be a pretty good trade. But of course, better if the price dump it here. Stop loss on the week of October 10, flash crash. And so 32% stop loss is kind of big one. So maybe reduce to 10. So 20% stop loss against the 300. So this is a local trade what you can try to catch, or accumulated some by limit order, right? Or step by step, like 22.92. 2034, 1925. Stop loss on the 1718. Average entry around will be 2096. And here was a signal to sell. What is good? We saw the signal take profit. Not exactly on that candle, but after the 16, after 20 days. Fun fact, right? So sell in June, drop on Donald Trump tariffs, bounce, and after 20 days after that, we saw the take profit, buy, bounce, now consolidation. So let's add alert to buy, another signal to buy, not a sell, buy, and we'll see. 12 time frame, buy on 12 time frame, well, buy again, recommendation close positions. So I repeat again. So this block, you can also add alert like this one and track it. You can take a pause, use the same fib, just use the base, this custom fib, you know, to the week on the daily time frame. If we use the week on the weekly time frame, I guess we're already closed over than 61 level. Yes. And yes, it looks like we go straight forward to 2082. It's kind of bad. It's kind of bad, but what we can do? We can do nothing, guys. We can just track, open, trade or not, take an action or not. ADZ, direction ADZ, I can't show you because it's a global ticker, global chart. Here's direction, no signal for accumulation. Weekly, no signal for accumulation. 12 time frame, no signal for accumulation. Skip. Market mode. Some disbelief. Capitulation on a daily, weekly capitulation. Last time we saw the capitulation, guys, on a weekly time frame, it was the June 24. This one. This was a capitulation area. After that, you know, we performed from 8 cents to 63. Now we stay at 23 cents and the same capitulation zone. Pretty good one. And the two last indicators, money power, guys. Finally, here, 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, money in. Last time we saw the money in June 24 with capitulation zone. Nice. Daily, also this capitulation, this belief, sentiment in the market, so horrible. Nobody want to buy any tokens. I'm also don't want to buy the spot position, but at least I can market the zone for futures trades. And now, by the way, BTC USDT 88,709, so under 89k, so it's kind of bad. It's kind of bad. This is one accumulation. Now nothing, no money inflow, guys. Yes, yet. The last one is take profit. Also the bad case, guys. Take a look. Most likely we're gonna test the buy line next week, 2057. So like confirmation, sometimes better not touch any token until we not see the good entry. So here, this can be the logical entry. 10% stop loss, 2064 entry, take profit, first one here, 100% you withdraw initial deposit or fix initial deposit, right? And add the stop loss to the break even and right even to, in this case, even to high of November 24. So 20% against the 420. Can be the pretty good trade with a second leverage. Of course, it can take time. That's why you have to pay the funding. And also, what is bad, guys? We didn't test the buy line on the weekly. Now it sounds unrealistic, but 1689. It's a buy line on the weekly. It's bad. A fundamental value of XLM is 1253. That's why I'm not touch this token. If we will drop to these blocks, it can be the good entry for the spot. But now I'm not touch this token at all. And monthly, well, monthly even worse case here. 12, it's a buy line. Let's pray so the alt will not crash it down, because from current prices, you know, we can dump over than 100%. So be careful, guys. I hope you like this video, and I hope we're gonna hold the line now, at least at 23 or 20 cents. If not, the road will be open straight forward to 15 and 12 cents again. I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my custom American, I will show in this video. Right now, don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.